Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Rick here to drop a little bit of money making knowledge on you today. Before we go ahead and get started, if you guys enjoy my videos, if you like what you're learning here on this channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for notifications so you can get notified every single time I put out a video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can use a free tool to make $250 online. Now, of course, there is no money guaranteed with this method, but if you do want to see the best results, if you do want to make the most money with the method, you will need to stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to be showing you two websites where you're going to be making the money, and I'm going to be giving you not one, but two free tools that you can use to help make the whole thing a lot easier. And of course, at the end of this video, I will also share with you guys my #1 recommendation to starting an online business and reaching your goals of financial freedom. If you want to check it out prior to the end of the video, click that first link in the description down below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first website I wanted to show you guys today is called designcontest.com. Now, this is a website that startup companies go to when they need a graphic or a website or a logo designed for their for their up and coming company. As you can see here, it says exactly that. Professional graphic designers compete for your business, and basically how they do this is they do this in the form of contests. This website does different categories. Like I said, they do logos, they do graphics, websites, they do t-shirts, they do business card design, and logo and business card design, banner design, and icon design. And basically how they do it here is the company will come out, they'll fill out a brief. Basically they'll write out their needs for the logo or for the product that they're looking for. They will set their budget, i.e. they'll set the price that they're going to place on the contest for the winner. They'll go ahead and they'll start receiving designs from you and me, and then they'll go ahead and select the winner, and they'll pay that winner, and they will give them copyrights to that logo. So what you're going to do from here is you're going to come down to the bottom of this page, and you're going to go to Designers Join Us. And then this will kind of show you some information more about this. So this is what they work with as far as payouts. They use Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, and Western Union. They even have their own prepaid MasterCard through Payoneer, which is pretty cool. You can go ahead and earn money by participating in contests and one-on-one projects. You can also use this to improve your design skills, because as the more you're putting in your own designs, the more you're actually improving your own design skills. They also help you build a personal portfolio. So anytime you enter a design, that gets put onto your portfolio. So anybody who might come looking to you for a one-on-one project, a company wants to work with you directly, because that's another feature of this website that is used between the company and the website, is they can pick out people specifically, and that's a one-on-one project. And basically this is what you'll want to do. And you can come down here and you can browse contests. So you will want to go ahead and create an account, get registered, give your information, and go ahead and get started. You can come on down here, you can hit see all contests, and it will show you everything that you're going to want to do. And you can see it'll give you the name of the company, it'll give you the number of entries into that contest and how much they're paying out. And some of these are pretty high. Like this one alone was $615. You got some at $275, $275, $455, $375. What else? $300, $875. So there are some pretty big you can make some pretty big money doing this if you keep putting in designs to get things done. So once you come to this page, you're going to want to click on one of these contests. So we'll choose this one, Quaint Cottage on High, and basically you'll come in and you'll see a description of what exactly they're wanting. Here's their project description. What you want to do is read the full brief so you can kind of see exactly what they're looking for. They'll kind of give a description of their business, what exactly their business is. So this is just a rental property for a cottage in New Hampshire. They have other characteristics here that they add, so kind of like things to add on. You might want to try adding it onto the logo or something like that. And not only that, they'll tell you kind of like how they want the look and feel to come out. If they want it minimalist, more complex, modern, or classic, they'll kind of like set that to help you get an example or help you kind of think of how you want to design it. And they'll even sometimes, and depending on the company, they'll add their own pictures, or they'll add like PDFs showing a brochure or something that they've already designed based on that. So what you'll want to do is that once you go ahead and pick one, you're going to go ahead and you're going to bring it over to one of the free tools I'm going to show you. Before I show you the free tool here, I wanted to show you one other website, and that is zilliondesigns.com. It's pretty much another website just like Design Contest. They do graphic design contests to help companies find logos and graphics for their companies. What you will want to do when you come here to their website is click on the three lines in the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to click on browse contests. So once this is pretty similar to the other one. They have a list, shows name of the company, or at least maybe what they're looking for or what it's for. They will tell you how much time is left on that project, how many concepts or entries that they had, and what the prize is for that project. And they have different amounts here too. This one was $199. There's $550, $200, $250, $300, $750, $75, $200, $350, $800. So I mean, there are lots of options for these, and you can make quite a bit of money doing this. Now, these ones that say private contest, these just require you to log into your account in order to view and or participate in them. These ones that don't are public, so if you want to go public and you don't want to create an account here, you can do that. It's probably preferred for you to create an account, so then that way you can actually get as many options for contests as possible. And again, you'll come in here, you'll pick one of these, and well, this one's like almost done. This has like 30 minutes left, but it'll tell you exactly what's going on, and you can see some of the other designs and what people have tried, and maybe that might also inspire you as well. But what you're going to want to do is once you go ahead and you pick one of yours, you can come over to one of these free tools that I'm going to show you. The first free tool that you can come to is logomaker.com. Logomaker.com is a free website. You don't have to pay anything to use this, and they have basically they offer a logo graphic designer that has over 1 million graphics for you to choose from to assist you in creating a logo. They offer a video here to kind of show you how everything works. But what you're going to want to do is you can come over here. So let's say we have that one for the quaint cottage. We can put in cottage and hit enter, and then this will basically pull up a bunch of graphics that you can use to kind of like make a logo out of. So like in this one, we can kind of expand this. We could make some text, and we can just do something like quaint cottage. You can kind of take that, move it right under, maybe bolden it, change the color, maybe instead of blue, maybe just make it outright black, or maybe green, just to kind of make it work. And then like with this one, maybe do this one maybe more like a blue. I would say maybe more like here, something like that. And you could do something like that you could do something like that for like a logo design, but you would want to take kind of that example or kind of like what they have. What are they looking for in an example like that, or what are they looking for as far as like what design they want the look and feel to be like, what kind of characteristics they want to include. You want to kind of take that and move that over, and then once you're done with your design, you can go ahead and save it. This will allow you to go ahead and download it, and then you can submit it towards the contest, and try. Hopefully that you'll be picked, and you will get the money paid for that logo. Another website that you guys can come to is freelogodesign.org. This is another website that allows you to go ahead and create your own logos. These guys actually have logo templates that will show some of their more recognized and some of their some of their successful logos that have been given up to other companies. So you can come to their website here. From the top, you can go to create my logo, and this will bring you over to their free logo creator. Don't have to pay anything for this. And then they have a buttload of templates. So they just have a lot of templates on here that you can come in and in various niches as well. So let's say for like me, something like computers. So there's like a whole bunch of computer type logos here, or technology type logos that we could use. So you could take this one, come over here. So I'm going to click this one here with the cloud, and we can hit add. Now what you can do when you want to click on the graphic template that you have, and you'll see this bit here where it says shape or shape to, or you'll see this little bit here. So what you'll want to do is click on that and then click on it, and you can select each little bit to adjust on that graphic. You can come over here to text, and this will allow you to go ahead and change it. So you can say, you can say technology, and then put geeks, something like that, but you can easily design a logo this way as well. Same thing, you hit the save, and then it'll allow you to go ahead and save your logo, and then you can go ahead and upload that as part of your entry into that contest. Now, that's all I have for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you this kind of method that you can use to make a little bit of money online. If you guys found value in this video and you were able to go ahead and apply it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really does support the channel. Now, while this method will make you money online, it is kind of based on luck, because you kind of have to hope that somebody's not going to have a better design than you. But if you want to learn how you can generate $1,000, $5,000 or $10,000 extra a month, I would highly recommend you check out my first link in the description down below. If you check it out, it's the one for my #1 recommendation to reaching financial freedom. Click the link in there. You put your email in, you'll get access to my free ebook, and you'll also get to meet me a little bit more personally, and you'll get to meet my mentor, where he'll show you how to start your own business with his 15-day business challenge, and he'll also be able to give you your own business advisor to help you get that whole thing started up and off the ground, and get you making your online passive income and giving you some semblance of financial freedom. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Be safe and stay healthy out there, and protect yourself, especially with all the craziness going on. And I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.